So I have a pad and I just want to give you guys an example of how a pad absorbs. It's absorbing slowly. I'm going to be doing a collaboration today with Hi O. They sell eco-friendly products. Before I talk about my personal experience with the period panties, I want to tell you the difference between regular pads and eco-friendly pads. Regular pads are normally sprayed with pesticides and toxins, and they're even known to cause cancer, versus eco friendly pads where they're not putting as much pollution back into the environment and where you don't have to worry about toxins. I'm going to be doing a review on the High O period panties. This is the web page. There's pictures, there's photos, there's videos for you. So it lets us know it holds 400 millimeters worth of blood. After reading over this web page, I'm someone who really likes to read and versus watching a video. I would like to see more detail on how to wear the underwear. Coming from somebody who is transitioning, I'd also like to see details on how you would go about washing the product. So it's giving us more description here, such as can you get a refund? What are the panties made of? And is it suitable for sensitive skin? Oh my gosh, my scissors broke. Oh wow. Wow. Mm. You know, I'm the type of person who thinks a lot of things are signs. I pay attention to my environment, and so scissors breaking. Sometimes when things break, that could be the universe telling you something. Or, God, everybody has different beliefs. But like if glass broke, sometimes that could mean something. I try not to get too much into it. I'm not superficial, but like, you got to pay attention to the signs around you. Okay. And it just comes with, the fillers and stuff. Please wash the panties before use. Yes, most definitely. Before you use anything, even when I go to Walmart, that's, you're supposed to wash. I don't care if I go to Victoria's Secret, you're supposed to wash all your clothes before you wear them. we'll go online and we'll look to see how to properly use them. Comes in a pouch, nice little cute pouch. Okay, so this is what they look like. Yeah. And they feel padded. They feel padded. One. Okay, so it's looking like I got 2 pair of panties. Cool. This is in an XL. Nice. So these are the underwear, and I'm going to personally test from home to see how they absorb. So I have them like this. Have a bottle of water. Well, a lot of it came out. Well, I dropped a lot, like a large sum of water on here, and you know, it actually started leaking over to the counter. Okay, so I have a pad. I'm gonna see if the same thing happens with a pad. Okay, so that's a pad. It absorbs pretty fast with the pad. You can't even feel that unless you press on it. Now this one is absorbing slowly. So I'm gonna grab another pair of underwear and we're gonna slowly pour the water on there. Since I brought the pad out, I'm gonna finish the example with the pad. This is an always pad. You can see it's getting full. Now it's starting to leak over. Okay, I have the new pair of underwear here. These are dry. These haven't been used. We're going to do this again. Okay. Okay, it's absorbing. So I keep making a mess and I keep spilling it, but this one is absorbing. Let's do the butt part, because I just need more room. It definitely feels wet, so I guess if this was blood, it would be, you know, wet. I did, you know, get the counter wet, so of course the bottom would be wet. But at least the butt part where I put it, it's not. It is dry. So that's nice. This purse here is supposed to hold water, so I'm going to fill this up with water, and we're going to see
Okay. Oop. Okay, this thing is full of water. Oh wow, and it's dry. Wait a minute. Wait. Well, if you squeeze it, it will start to leak. Well, squeezing it, it will leak, okay? But so wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a whole minute. Wait a minute. Okay, y'all. I'm still gonna do the period test review. I'll be back with another review. Okay.
So I have some good news and some bad news about this product. The good news is that I really like this product. I think it's awesome. The bad news is that I got the wrong size, which made this a pretty uncomfortable product to wear because the laces were too tight on my crotch area and my hip area. Had I got the right size, I would have had a more comfortable experience. Here is the size sheet to help you find the right panty size for you. Remember, they're not refundable, so you want to make sure you give the exact hip size and waist size. Overall, I think this product is a great investment. It caught leaks and spills. I really enjoy using this product, and this is a thumbs up. I found them to be comfortable and a great investment. Check my description box down below. I have a link for you and a coupon code so you can save money.